I know there's plenty of real concern and skepticism out there. I know that in a time, and it's now time to come together and make the painful choices we need to eliminate those deficits. This past week, 53 Democrats, and in fact, I know that there will be plenty of disagreement and different ideas. There will be plenty of debates and disagreements, and neither party will get everything at once. So there will be plenty of haggling over the details in the days ahead. There are plenty of ways out of this mess, but financial institutions have plenty of high-powered lawyers and lobbyists looking out for them. But there are plenty of steps we can take to speed up the recovery. Because while we can't fully control everything that happens in other parts of the world, there are plenty of things we can control here at home. But there are plenty of things we can control. Sides of the aisle. That's not what's holding us back. And I've met plenty of other people, dads and uncles and men without a family connection, who are trying to break the cycle and give more of our young people a strong male role model. Because there's plenty of work to do, right? There are plenty of reasons for skepticism. And now, plenty of people should be behind bars. And there are plenty of other bipartisan priorities they should finish this year as well.
And to those nations like ours that enjoy relative plenty, we say we can no longer afford indifference to the suffering outside our borders, nor can we consume the world's resources without regard to effect.
I stand here in my final term as governor with plenty to do.
Know that for every contract you've won, every sale that you've made, and job you've created, you've had plenty of setbacks and false starts and late nights wondering how on earth you're going to keep everything together and why you decided to take this path in the first place.